Hello, teacher and friends. My name is Daniel Arguello, and I'm going to present my experience in the middle of the world, o la mitad del mundo. Okay, first, abstract. The middle of the world, a magical place in Ecuador, has been the settings for an inquisitive adventure that combines the experiment of exploration with the rigor of scientist research. This article recounts my personal experience that this iconic geographic point highlighting the innovative data and scientific discoveries I've had the privilege to witness. From precise measurements to enriched cultural encounters, my journey to the middle of the world has been a transformative experience that has expanded my understanding of the world we inhabit. Introduction. The introduction of the middle of the world is much more than a point on the map. It is a place where science, culture, and adventure converge. My journey to this emblematic geographic point led my, me to discover not only the equatorial line that divides the world in two hemispheres, but also the fascinating stories interviewed in this region. An encounter with precision. Upon arriving at the middle of the world, I was impressed by the precision of the geographic measurements that define this place. With the help of cutting-edge technologies, I was able to experience firsthand how to location of the equatorial line is accurately determined. This experience not only allowed me to understand the complexity of Earth geography, but also inspired me to develop deeper into the mysteries of the planet, exploring to the Earth. Scientist expeditions at the middle of the world offered me the opportunity to delve into the world of geographics and geology through measurements of gravity, magnetism, and seismicity. I, I caught a glimpse of the Earth's internal structures and understand how this region offers clues about the geographical evolution of the planet. These discoveries not only piqued my scientific curiosity, but also made me appreciate the vast complexity of our world. Personal reflections. My experience at the middle of the world has been an adventure that has left an indelible mark on my heart and mind. Be- Beyond the data and scientific discoveries, these experiments has taught me the importance of opening myself to new perspectives and embracing the diversity of the world around us. The middle of the world is not just geography point, but a reminder of the beauty and complexity of our planet and the people uh, who inhabit it. Conclusions. In conclusion, my journey to the middle of the world has been a transformative experience that combines the excitement adventure with a wave of scientific exploration and cultural enrichment. Through this personal experience, to I have come to appreciate the interconnect between science, culture, and nature, ha- and how each of us can find a place in the world for, for full of wonders to discover. The middle of the world will continue to be a beacon of knowledge and inspiration for future generations, remembering of us of the importance of exploring, learning, and celebrating this diversity that surrounds us. Thank you, teacher. This is my presentation.